Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your Jio Fiber account number, registered email or mobile, and device details like ONT/MAC. Once you have those, open the My Jio app or Jio Fiber portal and sign in. This authenticates your control over the line. Tap Support, then Service Request, and choose the type: installation, outage, or technical. Make sure to select a convenient contact window and add concise symptom notes so the agent understands urgency and context. But once in the service form, describe the problem precisely. List observed LEDs, error messages, and when the issue started. You should attach photos of the ONT or error screens and include speed test results if relevant. This helps remote diagnostics. Then pick whether you want remote troubleshooting first or a technician visit. If hardware seems involved, request a visit. After choosing priority and time slot, review contact information. Confirm so the field team can reach you without delay or confusion. You finish by noting the generated service request ID and the estimated time of resolution. Take a screenshot for reference. Keep monitoring the ticket status in My Jio and answer technician calls promptly. If the technician is delayed, escalate through an app chat or the customer care number and reference your ID. One key troubleshooting tip: do not repeatedly power cycle the ONT. Power it off for 60 seconds only when instructed, because excessive resets can clear logs technicians need for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.